Welcome to StartTheBiz.co, where we talk all things business. Today we're going to speak about how to start an accessories business in 2025, because this question I get so much, because I post accessories a lot, I get the questions a lot. So accessories business is literally one of the easiest businesses to start. It's an easy business to start, easy side hustle, like it's super simple. Why? Because it's super low to start up and you can make a lot of money. Profit margin is crazy. Like you could buy an earring like this for $3, $4 and sell it back for $20. Okay. Now, when you decide to start an accessories business, you have to think about your audience or your target. Who are you trying to target and what does your target want? Do they want big chunky earrings or do they want small, cute, bougie, girly earrings? Do they want big chunky necklaces or do they want small, cute, girly necklaces? These are things that you are going to have to figure out when you decide to start a business. Now, after you figure that out, you say, okay, I'm going to start with, you could start an accessories business with $100, $200, $50, like literally. If you are going to shop from China, you do not have to, there's no minimum order quantity when you shop from China, and you do not need a reseller's permit. Okay. So you could buy one earring, 10 earrings, like how much ever you feel like. Now, if you say, this is what I'm going to do and I'm going to go all in, this is what I'm going to do. So you're going to figure out what type of jewelry you want and you're going to set a budget. Okay, I'm going to budget $200 for my first drop. So you're going to buy $200 worth of goods that you think your target audience would like. All right, you're going to get your jewelry, you are going to do a photo shoot, you're going to create a website, and you are going to promote your business on all social platforms. If you can budget in to do paid ads, or if you could budget in to send some pieces to influencers, which you should be able to, right? Go ahead and do it. You also want to do your branding early. You want to get your nice packaging so that people see that this is a business you're starting. It's not a game. That is how you would start. If you need your vendors to start your accessories business, you already know. Start the Biz has all the vendors, the US vendors and the China vendors. And most of the US vendors require a reseller's permit. I have my preferred US vendor that I work closely with that allows you to shop with no reseller's permit, and they ship worldwide. If you decide that you want to start an accessories business and it's just a side hustle, say you have your 9 to 5 and you just want to make extra money on the side. So you don't want the website, you don't want the packaging, you just want to get accessories to sell at work or sell to your friends or sell on Facebook or whatever it is. Then you don't have to go the extra mile to register your business, get a reseller's permit, and do all that because it's just a side hustle for you. You're going to buy your jewelry. You're going to still set your budget. Say you're going to start, all right, let me buy $100 worth of stuff and see how they go. I'll sell them to my coworker, to my cousins, to my mom, to my aunts, to my friends, on my Facebook, on my Instagram story, on my TikTok shop, like whatever it is, and you start to sell. And you re-up. You flip and repeat. You make the money, you invest it back in, and you buy more accessories. That's how you build on a business. But you don't have to do all the extra stuff when it comes to like you're starting it as a main hustle. Okay, so that is how you would start your accessories business in 2025. Do not forget that you could get the accessories vendor list at www.StartTheBiz.co. I have the accessories business starter kit, and that includes the accessories vendor list, my business ebook just in case you know nothing about business, and the packaging vendors just in case you want cute little packages for your accessories business. So thank me later, share this with a friend, and I hope this information helps. And you could start an accessories business from anywhere in the world. You do not have to be in the United States at all. And trust me, the accessories business is a great side hustle and a great main hustle.